Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at some bags which I think are really great, smaller sort of EDC or everyday carry bags that all have a laptop carrying capacity. So here we have the Able Carry 13 day bag. This one is the Bellroy Via backpack. This one here is the Troubadour Apex Backpack 3.0. Now this one's 25 litres, this one is 20 litres, and this one is 13 litres. Now this one is obviously the heaviest of them, mainly because of the size and some of the materials. This one's actually the lightest one, and this one is the second lightest. So I will put those weights of the bags up on the screen, but as you can see, it did pick up a little bit of scruffs from use. So I've been using this one about a week, this one about 2 weeks, and this one about a week as well. So in terms of access, this one actually has like a 3/4 zip, which is quite interesting. You do get that top pocket on the top for sunglasses, and when you unzip the bag, it also has water resistant zippers. I just have a pillow in there at the moment, but it has this interesting tripod sort of style, so it stands upright like this. What I will say about this one is it gives you nice access to the laptop compartment here, but there isn't any additional sleeves for like an iPad or anything, and you do just get this front pocket with a lanyard inside and no extra pockets. So I would have loved to see like some kind of extra additional, perhaps a divider here, or just some more pockets in general, but I do believe that this is designed to be carried with packing cubes or sort of smaller bags that you'd pack inside. It does fit like a jacket rolled up and a water bottle on either side, so in that case it actually does work very well. Now on the back as well, it's fairly simple. You don't get any additional pockets or anything. It has nice padding. The straps are also very comfortable and very nice. There's also no sternum strap, which is I believe to just keep it minimal overall. So I have enjoyed this one. I think it's very nice, very comfortable, and I really love the color. As you can see, it's a very nice textured fabric as well, with darker and lighter colors of beige. I believe this is called sand, and it's a very nice color. Now this one is the largest of them. This is the 25 litre Troubadour, and it definitely has the most features and pockets of all of them. You can see it has a really nice zipper pulls as well, and even on the tag there you can see it actually has their logo. So very high quality brand here, and it has this leather featuring as well. So inside here you do get a really nice, quite deep felt lined pocket, and you also get a little space here, a little secret pocket for an air tag. You also get 2 water bottle pockets on either side, and the grab handle is also made from a leather type material with a nice rubber grip underneath. And on the back here you get some very nice padding. This is actually a pass-through, so that goes all the way through. It looks like a pocket, but it's actually a pass-through, so luggage pass-through. And I like that it keeps the bag standing upright, which is how I prefer to carry on the luggage. It also has strap keepers here, which I do very much like. I love the way that they keep those there. There is space here for an additional accessory that you can buy for a sternum strap, so you can attach a sternum strap if you want. It's not included with the initial purchase, and it does also have this pocket here, which is a very interesting phone pocket. So it actually folds out, as you can see there, so that it can hold a full-size iPhone, which is very interesting. And then if you're not using that, you can actually just tuck that pocket back inside. So some really nice, interesting design features there. Now these straps also are very comfortable. I found it very comfortable to carry the backpack that way. Now on the back here as well, you get the laptop compartment, and that gives you access there to that. And you also get an additional sleeve there for other devices. Now that's nice and tucked away. On the inside, you get quite a large arrangement of pockets. I really do like the pockets on this one. You get this zippered one, which is like a paper sleeve, which goes about 1/4 of the way down. And you get these 2 stretchy ones, and a pen one here, and then another stretchy one. And you also get a mesh one here, and then a large 25 litre capacity inside. So overall, yeah, very nice appointments on this one. I love the features in the pockets, very useful. Now the smallest of them here, this is the 13, and this one probably has the best balance of both of them. So it has a water bottle pocket on the front here. It also has a very nice lanyard and very expansive front pocket here. It has a very nice comfortable grab handle. You also get an additional secret pocket on the side here, and the straps are very comfortable. I always really love Able Carry's carry straps. You get a little lashing point here. They also have a strap keeper on the bottom, which is very good. And they also have this really interesting circular sternum strap, which is of course is included. In Able Carry fashion, you get really nice lashing points here on both sides of the handle, and another one down here at the bottom, which I really love. Now inside, I'll say that these zipper pulls are very comfortable, and the zip is very smooth in the center, which I love. Now when you open this one, you do get this kind of veranda here, which can obstruct the laptop a bit, but I've found when you grab it like that and pull it back, you can easily access the laptop. So some people didn't like that. I don't mind it. I find it very easy to use, and you can see how it's angled there so that when you do pull it back, the laptop just sticks out ready to grab out. And now it also does give you a extra sleeve there for an iPad or any other books or anything. And my favorite feature is these two inside elastic pockets, so they are great. I've been carrying my water bottle in there, and you also do get this additional pocket here in the front. So in terms of the size and features, this is probably my favorite. I just love the carry. I love the way it feels. The zips are very smooth. The straps are so comfortable. Able Carry is always very comfortable to carry. It's in their name. But the Bellroy is also really good because it's the lightest. But I do just wish it had a few more pockets. This one, of course, is probably the premium. It has the largest capacity, the largest range of pockets. And in terms of overall features, this one does have the lockable zippers. It's just overall a more premium product. So that's a quick look at a few of my favorite EDC carry bags that I've tried recently. Definitely go ahead and check them out. The links will be in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts or if you have any other recommendations, and stay subscribed to keep up to date with these videos.